Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, navigate to the Options page. From the Options, click on Controller Layout, and now you can redefine the controls based on which control you used to access this menu. If you used your keyboard and mouse, now you can redefine the buttons within your keyboard. Just click whichever action you wish to change the key of. And now once the assigning area turns blank, you can press your desired new button. As soon as you do this, the new button will now be set for this action. You can go into both the foot controls as well as driving controls and make your desired changes. After making your changes, you can go back and choose the save option when prompted. And now you can start enjoying the game with your chosen new control settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.